This is Timmy's first birthday party in December 1980.
Daddy, come on!
Yeah, two.
Mom! Honey, can I see that? Honey? This is your car. Mom, can I see it?
You got one.
What did you get, Chris?
Right here. Right here.
Just that here?
Chris, where did you get that skeleton? Chris? Here. Carlo. Dad,
What did you get, Carlo?
Here, you hold one here.
Oh, here, here. You want to hold this one with me? Or use that towel?
Hey, Carl. Garçon.
Hey, what do you got?
Good to you.
Yeah?
What's the good
Wow.
Cornelia was a little frog.
You might want that one.
And a big bullfrog is a lamb.
What is it, Chris? I don't have one. I got a ring.
A squirt thing, oh boy. Two flies in the door. Which one was the angry one?
This? No, the other
The one that flew off.
I don't have one. Yeah.
Here. Here. Hey, you wear that one, right?
Here you go, Chris.
I'm wearing my... Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timothy. Happy birthday to you.
Slow down. Slow down. Come on. Slow.
Reach for it.
Hey, hey.
There you go. That's your time. You can do what you want. That a boy.
Good man, a break.
Good. Tim.
Oh, that's
Timmy.
good, Timmy.
Timmy.
That's put in your ear. Timmy, here, taste it.
Carlo, can I see that for a minute? Can I see that for a minute?
It tastes good?
Oh, no.
Logan.
Tastes good, Tim.
Logan. Logan.
Good, Timmy.
Oh, look, Terry.
Look. Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, fun.
Timmy, look up here. Timmy.
Timothy, look at Daddy.
Carlo, move that closer to Chris, please.
Tim. Look at Daddy. Oh, he's so interested in it. Doesn't want to look. Oh, fun. Woo.
Okay, right in the
Yeah. How far will it try?
Timmy.
That'll pick it up.
Timmy. Oh.
Looking on the bottle. Say hi to Daddy. Here we are the morning after, having a good time. Sing a song? Sing a song. Why not?
You first.
Me first?
Yeah.
What about Three Blind Mice?
No.
Hi, how are you?
Slowly, Stephen. You don't panic. You're whipping the camera.
You do it first.
Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green light. Aren't you going to sing it? Why not?
You guys up here.
I've been asked to say something intelligent. Good luck. This is Timothy Holland's first birthday party. And there are some friends here. They are Roger Chenoweth and Carlo and Laura and Chris and Jeffrey and Graham, as well as assorted mummies and daddies. Now, Doug has a few intelligent words to say. No, I didn't think he would have any intelligent words to say.
He's only a radiologist.
Good point. Now, here's Jeffrey. Jeffrey, do you have something to say?
No.
Are you having a nice time?
I can't.
You can't say anything. Carlo, do you have something to say?
No. Oh.
Well,
I'm having a nice time.
That's good. Are you going to say happy birthday to Timmy?